prevention measures. That's why today I'm going to make a post on coronavirus do's and don'ts. Let's get started. First, we need to take a scale and brown color pencil for our poster. With my border, now I am going to write a coronavirus as my heading. I am writing O with the green color so that it should look bacteria. With my subheading, now I am going to write the do's and don'ts. Here are my do's. I am writing with a color pencil. You can write with a sketch or glitter also. Now I am writing the do's. I have done with the first one. Now I am going for the second one. I have done with the second one also. Now I am going for the third one. I have done with the third one also. Now I am going for the fourth one. have done with the fourth one also. Now I am going for the don't. Here I am using the color pens. You can use the glitter also. I request my viewers to like this video, comment this video, share this video, subscribe it, and besides the subscribe there is a bell icon. Please click it. If we upload new video, you are the first. You will get the first notification. I have done with the first one. Now I'm going for the second one. I have done with the second one also. Now I am going for the third one. I have done with the third one. Now the last and the final is fourth one. I have done with the fourth one also. Now my do's and the don'ts are finished. Now I am going to draw some bacteria on my poster so that my poster should look attractive. I am drawing the bacteria. You can paste also. I have done with my first bacteria. Now I am going for the next bacteria. My 2 bacteria are ready right now. Now I'm going to keep some colors in it. For one bacteria I'm going to keep the green. And for my next bacteria, I'm going to color it with red. I have done with my bacteria. Now my poster is ready right now. Have a look on it. If you like my poster, please like it, share it, comment it and subscribe it. Beside the subscribe, there is a bell icon. Please click it. If we upload new video, you will get the first notification. Coronavirus is a dangerous disease, so the precautions are: wear a mask if you have a cough or running nose, wash your hands frequently with soap, see a doctor if you feel unwell, use handkerchief when you sneeze or cough. Don't go near live animals including poultry and birds. Don't eat raw and uncooked meats. Don't go near crowded places around people who are unwell. Don't go outside unnecessarily. These basic measures may help us to fight with coronavirus. From the SBM Art and Craft, there is small message for you all that please stay at home. Please stay at home with your family. Thank you.